Hello YouTube, it's the cable conduit renovator guy. Recently I posted a comment on a YouTube video where I claimed that the alkaline batteries were assembled and sealed by the positive end, and I was quite soon told to check my facts, so I will. So I have grabbed some specimens from my collection of old batteries into pile of other rubbish that I have collected, and now I will have to get my multifunction knife. It has the functions of prying, slipping, and sometimes cutting, usually when I don't want it to. Please allow me a moment. So here I have a couple batteries. I will cut into the plastic sleeve and see for myself. Alright. It is true, these all are hermetic on the plus side, and the innards have been inserted from the minus side, and it has been sealed. So I was proven wrong. So I must have been remembering the NiCad and the NiMH cells that I took apart a few years ago. I call them NiMH cells because it is also spelled NiMH, and it means poison in Irish. But yes, I was proven wrong. It certainly doesn't help to be stupid as a brick, blind as a bat, and clumsy as F. And now, let me have a shot of Sauna Bay Spirit. A small shot. Cheers.